Hey everyone, this is a quick video about a new update to the Eufymake E1 UV printer. If you have one of these, you probably ran into this problem where your white ink will stop printing properly. Eufymake put out an update to their software that helps fix this problem, and we're going to take a look at that next. Okay, we're at my Mac. I've got Eufymake Studio open. You need to upgrade to 4.2.2 for this feature to work. Once you do, you will get a prompt to update the firmware on your Eufymake printer. You need to do that also for this feature. Both of them need to be installed in order for this update to work properly. Once you do that, you will get this feature right here in Eufymake Studio that says White Ink Recovery. That new feature will help fix your white ink if you're having a problem with it. So what you'll do is you'll click on that. It'll bring up this dialog that tells you how much ink it's going to use and how long it's going to take, and that you won't be able to use your device while it's doing it. So I'm not going to click on this because I already went through this and fixed mine, so it'd be a waste of ink to run it. But you'll click on continue, it'll go through and do the process, and then when it got done, for me, it prompted me to run a test print, and that's where you put the paper down on the bed and then it'll run through and do a test print. And if that looks okay, then you can move on and run a test. So for me, I ran through, did all this. I had a previous test that I had ran, something I was working on. I'll show that on the screen somewhere here. That obviously it didn't work. The white didn't look good on it. So then I ran this process, and afterwards I got the second image that I'll show you now. And you can see from this that it looks a lot better. The white ink is printing much better now. This new feature, I think, does what a lot of people were finding, where they'd have to take the ink cartridge out and maybe mix it or shake it a little bit. Instead, you can do it this way, and it seems to work pretty reliably so far for me. In addition, in this new version of Eufymake Studio, they've added this change to medium clean, where it has two different versions of medium clean. I'm not sure exactly what those are for yet. So that's the update. If you have any questions about how to use this, or if you've used it successfully, leave a comment. So if you've used this already, or if you've had problems with white on your Eufymake printing properly, leave a comment below and let us know what you had to do or how you fixed it. Like I said, this just came out for me just the other day, and it worked pretty good. So thanks for joining me. If you like this content, click on the thumbs up button and consider subscribing. It helps the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.